Well, I bet you didn't see this coming. Anyway, let's get a last cold start. Am I really doing the right thing right now? Alright, I'm gonna get into the car and we'll go and get some petrol, and then I'll tell you what is going on right now. Well, we made it to the original OG spot where it all started for the MPS and this RSK journey, since it's been pretty much a year, or coming up to it anyway. So let's get out the car and explain to you what's going on. Actually, let's put the windows up first. Alright, so hopefully you don't get caught up in the wind. It's happening. It's time for the MPS to hit the road and move on to its new owner. So by the time you're watching this, it's probably already gone, but there's someone super keen. He's already put it on hold for it to pretty much buy it. Now, the question is, this is not the RSK journey just ending like that. That is not what's happening. I'm upgrading. If most of you know me well enough, you will probably know what I'm upgrading to. I'll put it to you this way, it's not a Falcon. No, it's not going to be that. The only clue I'll give you is that it is JDM. So that's about it. It's JDM. I'm not going to say any more because I will blurt it out. Yeah, this is the end of the road for the MPS and its journey. I mean, we built this thing into an absolute weapon on the street, on the channel as well. I remember having this thing bone stock and, you know, did not think I was going to be getting this far with it. We'll go around the car and talk about what I have done to it. I literally bought this off of a lady owner, and the person before that was a lady owner as well, so it was very well looked after. I'll show you guys the interior. I don't know if you have seen the interior too much. I don't know if that's going to focus properly, but it is literally super clean. Besides the shift knob that needs like upgrading, the seats are perfect. Like the suede on the seats is perfect. There's no tears, there's no fades, there's no nothing. Steering wheel is perfect as well. Yeah, it's literally ice cold AC. It's got everything. Let me check out the back, and the back exactly the same. It's perfect. Comes with the stock Bose system as well, but yeah, the suede on these are just insane. So such nice seats. So yeah, so we'll go around quickly, talk about what I did, and you know, that's pretty much it. If I can, at the end of this, add in to the guy that is buying it, add a clip of me actually saying goodbye to it. He doesn't mind being on camera, then I will. If not, then it will probably end on the note of this. I haven't already bought the new car, so you won't be seeing that just yet. I'm basically waiting for the money I get for this, then I know the balance of what I need to make, to get the next car. So pretty much once this is gone, which as well, by the time you've already seen this video, because I'm only going to bring this out once this is actually sold, it was just that if he was coming, because he is coming this week, I might not have got a chance to actually get a video out of the car before it goes, which I know some of you guys are going to care and some of you aren't going to care. It is what it is. I know it's only an MPS, but it was my MPS, it was my baby. Built this thing from the bottom up, not physically engine built, but everything that is done to it. So coming from the front, we got the gloss blacked out grille, open mouth, or just painting it to look like the open mouth down there. The Maxton lip, probably didn't see me put that on because I just put that on in the afternoon when it was raining. Same with the weather shields. These are brand new. Just put these on too. They are a lifesaver, especially stickers. He can remove them if he wants. This Tune Legend sticker gets you into meets, so it actually pays for itself. Move to the back. I don't think anything's happened to the back. Just the sticker, which I'm gonna be sad missing this sticker here, because this is the original good oil slick one there, and yeah, it's gonna be sad to see it go. We don't have any more of the white ones left, so you know, it's got a clean boot. That's just my toolkit. Forgot to take it out. The batteries in the back, all relocated. Haven't really done much to the back, even exhaust or anything like that, besides the catless downpipe and whatever else. Most of the work we've done is pretty much under the bonnet. So we'll take you under the, oh actually I got the access port set up there. That was it basically. Yeah, nothing crazy. Yeah, so I'm selling it for a good price. I didn't overprice it or anything like that. Yeah, the guy's getting a steal. He's gonna love it, honestly. I'm not gonna name names or anything like that. The car that he's coming from is roughly about 190 or 200 kilowatts or something like that. This being 250. I mean, you say it's 50 kilowatts, but it does make a big difference. You definitely feel that. So under the bonnet, we've got the custom high mount turbo with external wastegate over down in there. Tile wastegate with the screamer pipe, the 3-inch catless downpipe heat wrapped with the manifold heat wrapped. Pretty much just the intake and stuff like that. So, oh, a GFP blower valve as well. And yeah, front mount intercooler, which I painted silver because I like to see it from afar. As you can see, it looks amazing. Sorry, some people rocked up. I think they wanted to come to the end of the street and do some skids, but I was here first, buddy. Sorry about that. I think this is a pretty short video, actually. Yeah, I just wanted to put a video out there pretty much explaining to you guys what's happening. So just the next video you see, oh, he's got a new car, what the hell, what happened to the MPS, what happened to this? So just keeping you guys up to speed with the whole situation. So yeah, that's basically it. It'll be going on to its new owner. As I said, if I can put a clip of him driving away with it or anything like that, maybe introduce him. But as I said, I need to make this video so that it was done, because yeah, I didn't want to leave you guys on a cliffhanger there. So pretty much the only cliffhanger for you guys is, what am I getting next? Some of you know me well enough and you will know. Drop a comment down below, because I'd like to see your guesses and what you think I'd be getting next. I don't know, maybe I look like the guy that drives a buggy, maybe I look like the, who knows, I don't know. So I've got nothing else to say. I'm really gonna miss it. I feel like it hasn't really sunk in yet. I mean, bringing this car from bone stock, literally bought it was bone stock. It was so healthy, best nick. It was the first car I actually put a lot of effort into and a lot of money into, and time, especially on the channel. You can see that big turbo build took like 6 to 7 weeks just as well, waiting for parts, waiting for this, where I had no car, was stuck going to meets in all my mates' cars and stuff like that. So nah, it'll be good. On to the future. As I said, I really hope I see it at the meets in the future, because I feel like he will do that. He has got a lot more plans for it, so who knows, maybe we'll be pushing more power by the time we see it, as I said. So anyway, let's go. Oh, man.
You have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I don't know, should I sell it? Nah, who am I kidding? I need to sell it. This new car, you just need to see it as it, well, you need to know it. Sorry, I haven't got the car yet. I have been looking. It's gonna be mental. But leave your guesses down below of what you think I'm gonna be getting next. If I put in more clips. Back bigger and better. I know it's been a tough start to 2021, and yeah, we're just coming, a lot of things happen, a lot of stuff's happened, so we're coming back, trying to get back into the rhythm of it. We need your guys' support, so smash the like button, tell everyone to subscribe.
Eventually.
Well, judging by the sounds of the car in the background, it's that day. First stall. Easy, bro. Oh, it sounds so good. Well, that's it. That's all she wrote. MPS is done. I'm on to the next build. Soon to come, as I have to save a little bit. But it'll be on the channel soon, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a massive thumbs up. We're coming back in action now. Me and Alex are back, bringing you straight content, and I hope Aiden enjoys the car. I'll still be seeing it around, so hopefully we get to see what he's done to the car. Well, I think he's going to lower it, because finally someone can lower it, because obviously the driveway's been shit because it's so steep. I think he's gonna do a bit of an exhaust system, even though it sounded amazing. It's one of the first times I've seen like someone drive it basically, like, you know, without me driving it and videos. So yeah, he's gonna enjoy that. I'll see it more anyway, but yeah, we're gonna bring more content to you guys, so stay tuned. New build coming soon, my car coming soon. We'll see you in the next one, and peace out. RSK's family, spread the word.